John Eligarde ang magkasama doon. Tapos, does he make it though? Yes, he does!
Hey!
Fluke number 1 of the day para dito sa Quezon City Dragons. Pati si Rafael napangiti doon. Good navigation here by Romel Santos.
Isa pa pala, may nanonood galing Scotland, John Ro Agustin.
Ganun lang! Ganun lang! Kinaya lang niya si Jocaresa kanina.
Nakangiti rin yung pool gods sa Taguig Stallions.
Yon.
In general, the pool gods are smiling at us tonight inside the Sharks Arena.
We've seen some players before opt not to. Pwede niya itago sa likod ng 8 to. Does it?
Will
Does
he
he
get a
separate?
good break?
Yay!
Ooh, wow, he did. This is makeable.
Well, now he has to make this. Of course, he may run into the 9 ball. Pero nabanggit mo nga kanina, Jericho Banyares not with Taguig tonight. And Baset Mokaybat not with Quezon City the whole week.
Yep.
And despite that, Quezon City nanalo pa rin dito sa seryeng ito.
Dahil nga Biyernes ngayon, nagtatanong kayo kung sino yung namayani dito para sa Quezon City. Kumbaga,
Oo naman yan! Grabe naman yun!
Got that combo to go! Kailangan na magpadali na Romel Santos. May nagsabi. 11 seconds.
Teka, yun lang. He can actually go for a 4-9 carom. Kaya lang, behind the back
Behind
ito.
the
4-9 combination nga ba ito?
Feeling
Ayun,
good! Feeling
4-9.
good!
Yes,
And he
sir!
got it! Romel Santos taking advantage of all the luck he got.
Latag na ganito, walang humahad lang sa mga bola.
Si Bryant hindi nakapuntos dito kaya primerong sharker na lang dito. Primerong commentator na lang sa paring ng Taguig.
4-9 combination to end this series. Quezon City still wins, but it will be 3-2 if Demosthenes Pulpul can make this 4-9 combination.
This could be the loudest, Noel.
It's down!
Uy, walang ilapit.
Wala na! Nagdiwang na mga fans at Taguig Stallions.
Diwang
For the
lang.
second straight night, the Stallions take the win.
Some celebration.